Good morning, students. I hope everyone is doing well. Let's get into this week's lesson. This year, we're going to continue with our typing, and we're going to work to type with increased speed and accuracy. So this week, we're going to be working on the home row, which is the center row here of the keyboard. The pointy fingers go on the F and the J. The left pointy finger goes on the F, and the right pointy finger goes on the J. And notice the colors let us know where we're going to put our finger. So the green on the pointy finger tells us to go to the green key over here by the F. And same thing on this side. The pointy finger on the right side goes to the J, and we see it matches with the color pink. The pinky, the left pinky goes on the A, the right pinky goes on the semicolon, which is the semicolon. It's like a period and a comma. The middle finger on the left side goes on the D, middle finger on the right side goes on the K, ring finger on the left side goes on the S, you see it matches colors, and on the right side, the ring finger goes on the L, and the thumbs go on the space bar. So when you type, we want to make sure we use the correct fingers. So we always start with the pointy fingers on the F and the J, and those keys usually have a little bump on them to let you know those are the home keys. So left pointy finger on the F, right pointy finger on the J, left pinky on the A, right pinky on the semicolon, and our thumbs go on the space bar. Okay, so I want to show everybody how to access our typing activities. So we're going to go to ps221q.org, and then we're going to click on Grade Level Resources. From there, we're going to click on Second Grade, and next we're going to click on Dance Mat Typing. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is this week we're going to start on stage 1. Okay, so we're going to start on stage 1, and you're going to click over here, click play, level 1, and then you're going to click on the home row, lesson 1. Then you're going to click spacebar or enter. Okay, so now when I'm at Dance Mat Typing, I follow the screen. I put my pointy fingers on the F and the J, and there's a little bump on them. And I put my left pinky on the A, the right pinky on the semicolon, the ring finger on the right side on the L, the middle finger on the right side on the K, and on this side, the ring finger on the S, middle finger on the D, and the thumbs go on the spacebar. So now I'm going to just type what they tell me to do. So they tell me to type the J, I type a J. And you can see up here on the top here, well, they'll tell you what they want you to do, and also down here, they'll give you the instructions. So now we put our left fingers on F, D, S, and A, and the other side J, K, L, and the semicolon. Okay, so I would like the children to complete that lesson this week. The other thing I would like the students to do this week is I would like you just to log into Code.org. You don't have to do any activities this week. You just have to log in. So I want to make sure everyone knows how to log into Code.org. So our second part of this week's assignment is just to log into Code.org. You can do activities if you would like, but I just want to make sure that everyone knows how to log in because it's going to be a little bit different this year because we have remote learners. So on Code.org, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Sign In on the top. So go to Code.org and you click Sign In on the top. Now what you're going to do from this section here is you're going to click Continue with Google because we're going to use Google Classroom to sign in this year. Okay. So once again, I'll show everybody. You're going to go to Code.org, you click Sign In, and then you're going to click Sign In with Google. Continue with Google. Okay, and now what you need to do is you're going to use your account that you have from the Google Classroom, account that you use for Google Classroom. Now we'll bring you to this page. So after you sign in with your username and your password, you click Sign In, and you could save it if you'd like. And it's going to say, do you want to allow Code.org to see your Google Classroom? You click Allow. And now you should be in Code.org. So again, you don't have to do any assignments this week. You don't have to do anything with Code.org other than I want to see that the children are able to log in to Code.org. So please do that this week. Work on your typing, the home row this week, and I also want everyone to see if you could log in with Code.org. Again, you go to Code.org, and then you say Continue with Google and use your Google Classroom login to sign into Code.org.